Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we actually went to Aldi and Costco, and so I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and film a haul for you guys of what we purchased. I think we went to Costco about 2 weeks ago. Sometimes we go to Costco or Sam's. We alternate. There's different things at one store and you know there's stuff at the other, so we do kind of alternate sometimes. This time we did go to Costco, and let me show you guys what we picked up. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like these kind of videos and if you guys want more. So let's get right into the grocery haul. So excuse the fact that we went ahead and dug into some of these things. Like, we picked up these croissants from Costco, and there are some missing, of course, because I went ahead and gave some to my sister-in-law. And we also purchased this bread for some subs. We bought a rotisserie chicken to make our subs, which is really good. I really love the rotisserie chicken. Also from Costco, we bought these organic eggs, and this is the kind that we always get. We always try to get organic eggs. Also picked up the Earthbound Farms organic power greens. I'm putting these in smoothies and just overall trying to eat more salads, so I did pick up these. I'm going to try to separate what is Costco and what is Aldi. We also picked up this half and half, the Horizon organic half and half, and we just use this for our coffee, which is really good. I got this organic ground beef, which I tend to get. I used to buy ground beef just at the regular grocery store, but I don't know, I just kind of stopped and decided to start buying this organic beef, and I feel like there's a big taste difference, and we've really been liking it. I also picked up this Kirkland brand just reduced fat milk, and I use this for cereal. This is on the floor, guys, I'm sorry, but it's like a big box of old-fashioned oats. I buy the old-fashioned oats for you know, to make overnight oats, and of course you need old-fashioned oats, and I just keep them and then store them in an airtight container, and they last us a really long time. Tony was also empty. He was also running low on coffee, so we did pick up these Coffee Lovers K-Cup Pod collection, which brings a variety, and it's 72 cups. I want to say this was around 32 bucks, which is not a bad deal. He likes them pretty dark roast, you know, like the pretty bold coffees, so I won't be having these at all, but hopefully he likes these, because otherwise he won't want to drink them. We also picked up organic extra virgin olive oil, just because I always cook with olive oil, and we were completely out. For a personal item, I did pick up this Dove deodorant, the Advanced Care Invisible. I started using Dove deodorant a while ago, and I love it. That's all I use. Also for Costco, I did pick up strawberries. I picked up some strawberries because Emmanuel has strawberries like every morning or as a snack, and we go through grapes. We've been going through grapes like none other, so I did pick up red and green. Red, I believe my husband said, contained a little bit more sugar than the green, so he has most of the green and we have red. Now moving on to our Aldi grocery haul, I picked up some sliced jalapenos, some garlic, because I tend to use garlic a lot, onions. We can never have enough onion. I bought these flour tortillas from La Banderita, and we don't normally buy flour tortillas, but I figured that, you know, it wouldn't hurt to buy them this time and then have them on hand in case we want to make, like, I make Tony taquitos in the morning, or burritos, you know, for breakfast. I also bought these blue corn tortilla chips. There's something about blue corn tortilla chips that are freaking bomb. These are the Simply Nature, and I really like them. I also picked up this Alpine Fresh asparagus bunch, and they looked in really good condition, and we really like asparagus in the oven, like roasted. I picked up cauliflower, some broccoli, and these are some of my favorite things to snack on, which is pretzel slims, and I really like the taste. We also have some spinach artichoke dip that we had bought at Costco the trip before we went. The trip before this one, and I'll be eating that with these. Some jalapenos, a lettuce, and I also picked up a cabbage, some squash. We can never have enough squash. I bought some corn to make with some chicken thighs, and some tomatoes, some more calabacitas. These are the calabacitas italianas, which I'm planning on making caldo de. Great, I just ripped the bag. It's okay. I'm planning on making caldo de albóndigas, and I put some of the calabacita inside the albóndigas. I saw a recipe on YouTube. I'll try to link it down below. It is so freaking good. They come out really like juicy. And I also picked up this bag of baby red potatoes. I roast these in the oven with rosemary, and they taste amazing. So guys, that completes my grocery haul. Let me know if you guys like this video, if you've bought any of the items down below, if you have any suggestions on things to try out. Super amazing. Let me show you guys one thing that I absolutely love that we picked up at Costco. Not this trip around, but you guys have got to try it. So I was not a big coconut fan. I hated coconut up until, I want to say last year. When I was a kid, my sister and my brother bought a real coconut and gave me a huge chunk of it, and I got sick. I was sick for days, and I kept throwing up, and all I could taste was like coconut in my mouth, and I didn't eat it up until last year. And so now I'm like getting into coconut again, and I picked these up at Costco, and they're coconut almonds with dark chocolate. Oh my god, guys, these are amazing. I keep these in my fridge just so they're cold, and I've had this for like, I want to say a month, you know, but they're super good. I mean, they're best before 6/7 of 2020, so they're not gonna go bad anytime soon. And I keep them in the fridge, and I just snack on them like sometimes when I have a sweet tooth. But you guys gotta try these. Let me know if you guys have tried them and if you like them. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload videos. I will have 2 makeup tutorials coming soon with 2 new palettes. There is a reason why I've been gone for a few weeks. I may talk about it, may not. Just expect the next videos coming up. I'm back and I'm here to stay. And subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.